Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, we're making pork chops. So the price of meat isn't going down anytime soon. So if you want to, one way to save money, you can buy this whole loin, cut pork chops out of it yourself. Use half of it for a roast if you want. So the first thing we're going to do, I think it's easier if you just score the fat cap now. Score the fat cap when you're cutting it into pork chops. That will keep it from curling up and turning into a ball on the grill. So I just run my knife just into the fat cap. You don't want to go too deep. Helps if you have a really sharp knife. Now I use my 2 fingers right about here. And just keep doing that. Take this last one and just trim it. There, now 20 bucks. Look how many pork chops you get. Thick, nice thick pork chops too. You can make them thinner if you want. That's how I like mine. All right, let's season a couple of these up and we'll get the grill fired up. Then we're gonna season these with our KCC Memphis rub and our KCC Windy City steak. Those two paired together are excellent. Make sure that we don't overcook it. We're going to use the new Thermopro Lightning. 1 second read time, 10-year warranty. Link in the description. Awesome to have. And first we're going to hit it up with the steak seasoning. Don't forget to do all sides. Now we'll use our Memphis rub. All right, got the Weber fired up. Got the grill grates on there. Trying to beat the rain here. Let those go for a few minutes. We'll let those go for about a minute, then we'll rotate them. We can rotate these now. Now we can flip these over. Let them go for another minute. So we're just about 100. A little higher than others. Set these off to the side. And put the Weber's upper rack in here. Now we got that rack in there, we'll let it go for another minute. Starting to rain. I pulled one off, it hit 140. I like to pull these off around 138. So 137. This one's ready. They'll rise up to 145 sitting. 139, so these are all set. All right, we'll let them. Let's make a dipping sauce real quick for this. About a half cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of sour cream, a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of whole grain mustard, or 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish, or whatever you can get out of the container. Should have checked, see what I had in the fridge before I started making this. But we'll get it. A little Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon. Now we'll mix that together. Then we'll add some of our Windy City. We'll let this chill in the fridge. Finish up the pork chops. They look good. Let's slice into it and see what we got. I want this one here. Nice and moist. All right, let's try some of this. Nice and juicy. Yeah, that's nice. Try it with some of the horseradish sauce. That sauce complements the rubs we put on there. Excellent. Highly recommend it. Well, we turned an inexpensive roast into some pork chops. Very, very tasty. I paid 20 bucks for that. We got 13 pork chops out of it. You can get our seasonings on our website, link in the description. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We got more videos coming out. You can visit us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, of course, YouTube. Go to our website, crackscountrycooking.com. We got recipes, rubs, seasonings, all sorts of stuff. See ya. Dinner time.